Hi, this is Andrea at My Zombie RV, and today I'm just giving you a little bit of update. I have made some progress, kind of a little bit, slow increments. It's about 7 a.m. It's going to get really hot, and because of what I'm doing, I need ventilation, so I can't use the air conditioner. So I'm going to work till about noon, and then I'm going to be done for the day outside here. As you can see, our door is still on the floor. And we have no front door. So, but that's going to get done. This is Friday, and Phil's going to be home, and hopefully we're going to knock out this wheel well and get so we have steps. What I've gotten done is priming the hallway and the closet, and Kitty is demonstrating here. Where's she at? There she is. And the bedroom. So to begin with, in order to do all that, I washed it with TSP to get down the smoke damage and mean green. But I did want to show Sherwin-Williams. I said, I want something that sticks. 10 years from now, I don't want this to be peeling off. And they said, use this Extreme Bond primer. Now, that is normally like $60. They always have a sale, so it was like $45. But they said you can put it on any surface, and any kind of paint will stick to it. So this is the good stuff. And that's what I'm using. We have so many surfaces here. We have this vinyl. We have this wood, and most of this is just a really thin little laminate. This is wood, but like it's just a plywood with a tiny little, almost like a tape on top of it that looks like wood. And after cleaning it, then you have to sand it. I got a little crazy on the sanding on some of the spots. I had to kind of fix it. I didn't realize how thin it was. But you do have to kind of rough up the surface a little bit. I used a palm sander, so that's kind of why I got a little. So some of the places I do have to be a little more delicate. The one place that didn't want to stick very well are these plastic edge pieces and things. Those are just vinyl. And but it did. I had to go over them a couple of times, get a thin coat up there. And then also up in the edges, there is some silicone seal in the walls. And, of course, the primer didn't want to stick to that. But I just kept working at it, kind of putting it up there, a thin coat, and letting it dry and things like that. And it did fix. So I'm very pleased, even though it looks really awful right now because it's just primer. They say you don't have to have it solid. So that doesn't matter if it's like this. It doesn't have to be like solid. It just has to be on there. A thin coat. So that's the progress for the day. Today I'm going to work in the shower and bathroom area and clean and sand it. I believe I'm going to take these doors down and put a flip rod with a curtain because that will give us more room in the shower. Now it's not going to show up because of the lighting in here. I'm going to turn the light on to see if it's a little better. Oh, I don't have my electric on. But this shower used to be white, and the sun turns it yellow. There's different things that you can do. The same thing with the sink. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just yellow from the sun. So what I'm going to do is spray paint this. Sherwin-Williams, again, gave me some excellent spray paint. And again, it's like super expensive. But I think I got an extra 10% off for this. So it's called XIM Tile Dock. So you can use this in the shower, and it can get wet, and it is supposed to just really do the trick. So it is $15 a can, and then I think they gave me 15% off. But anyway, we'll see how that works. I'm hoping it only takes 2 cans, but I just know it's going to take 3. So you're supposed to put thin coats. Instead of putting a thick one so that it would run, you just put it like a thin coat, you let it dry. Thin coat, you let it dry. So we'll see how that works today. Bathroom prep is the order of the day. So until the next time, hopefully the next time there'll be actual pretty paint back there. So bye.